Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step a very easy way how to do the text to speech thing on TikTok. So this is basically how you can create auto generated voices if you make a TikTok. So what you want to do, you want to go to TikTok, then create a new TikTok and just film it. Just make your TikTok. That's what you want to do first. So I just film some random stuff. Then hit yes and hit the good button, and now this comes up, and let's mute this actually because you can hear my voice. And now what we want to do, go to text and add a text. So we can do hello, no, like this, hello, this is an example, and then hit yes. And now what you want to do, hold the text. Just go ahead and hold it, and here it says the first option is text to speech. So let's do it again. Hold it. Text to speech. So we want to go text to speech, and now it's going to generate the text to speech. That's what you want to do first. Oh, I hear myself again. But you can hear it. Now it is working. And this is how you can use the text to speech thing on TikTok. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.